coming. Guys, I got mallards all over me. Look at them. And my gun's right over there in that cypress tree. Look at these mallards. Look, my gun's right over there. Look at this group. Right into my decoys. Mallard drake right there, lighting in my decoys. Look, look, look. Got to get to my gun, guys. And welcome back to the channel. I'm on a solo duck hunt today, and I was walking out here and I was just praising Jesus and giving him all the glory and thanking him for another day, and really wasn't even, my expectations were extremely low. And I got out here, I threw my decoys out, I got my spread out here, hope you guys can see that, and I have had mallards and gadwalls all over me ever since I got out here. I've already got a couple of mallards down right there, 2 drakes, and they have been just pouring in. My big camera is saying that the memory card's locked, so I got to figure that out. I have ripped my brand new Frogg Toggs, and my waders are full of water. Insane, guys, but this is freaking awesome. I hope I got some of the footage. I moved my decoys and I went to go hide my sled, and as soon as I hid my sled and turned around and started walking back to the cypress tree, I mean, a group of about 20 mallards come right into the decoys. I hope I got that on footage, but I was just trying to hurry up and get back to my gun. Man, what an awesome day so far. Yeah, 2 ducks down, but I have literally seen hundreds in the 30 minutes that I've been here, and it has been awesome. We got a strong west wind, about 10 miles an hour today, blue sky, sunshine. Got a big cold front coming in tonight, and I'm thinking that these are a lot of new birds, which is what we have needed. If you guys are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button right now. It's just getting started. Hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Go ahead and smash that thumbs up button for me for the mallards. Drop a comment down below what you think, and let's keep hunting, guys. Number three for today. Look at that. Whew. I need one more to get my limit. Whew. It's a beautiful bird. Look at that. Whew. Green nugget. Smash that thumbs up button for me. I wanted to show you guys how I'm set up in this cypress tree. Got the sun to my back, west wind, so my decoys, look here, 2 mallard drakes lit right there. Look, 2 mallard drakes. Standing right here. Sitting right here on this bench, my gun. You just saw 2 mallard drakes. Here's my 3 that I've got. I need one more to get my limit, which I could have just had. Right there, there's my 3 green heads for the day. Right here, mallard drake. Smoked him. Guys, that's it. I got my mallard limit. Show you guys the birds. all drakes. If you guys like this video, please, please, please hit that thumbs up. Come on guys, hit that thumbs up button for me. Drop a comment down below on what you think. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button. Hit that little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. And I will see you guys on the next one. Y'all stay under 'em.